guys, welcome back to another video. So today is Friday, April 10th, and we're currently gonna leave the house today because we need to run a couple of errands. We need to do a grocery run. We're gonna grab some lunch. It's already gonna be 1 p.m. and I'm not sure what the evening has in store for us. I know we were supposed to go to baseball practice today, but there's might be something else we might be doing, but I'm not too sure since my husband is working today, and I'm not sure if he's gonna make it home in time for us to do what he wanted to do. But if he doesn't make it home in time, then I'm gonna go ahead and take my son to baseball practice. And I'm currently here just gonna wash the dishes before we head out, and we're gonna go to Target, Sam's Club, and possibly Walmart, just because I need to buy some snacks for my son's baseball game tomorrow. It's our turn to bring the snacks, so we have to definitely do that today because his game is at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Yeah, so we've been on spring break this week. It's already Friday. We're at the end of our spring break time. We're just gonna enjoy this weekend, and then we're gonna be back to school on Monday, regular scheduling. We really didn't do much this spring break. Actually, we all had got sick with like a really gross cough. I still have it, but it's definitely gotten better. Yeah, we've been taking our medicine, drinking tea, all that. So hopefully, I did doctor's appointment this week. We finished all of that, took all the kids. I got everyone flu shot this season because I feel like we were getting sick way too often, and I was not liking that. So when I scheduled everybody's doctor's appointment, I already knew that I was gonna go ahead and get them the flu shot, so at least if they get sick, you know, hopefully they can get through it faster, because it was lasting like a long time. Like this last cold that we got, it took like more than a month, and we still have it, but thankfully it's almost gone. But yeah, it feels like forever, and I'm over being sick already. I just wanted to like disappear. So yeah, that's what our spring break has consisted of. Just being sick, relaxing, we really haven't done much. This doctor's appointment is busy. I've been taking everybody. I feel exhausted. I wasn't even the one going to the doctor's appointment. It was for everyone else. But since I'm the mom, I have to be there for everybody. Even my husband, I had to be there for him. He was like, yeah, I want you to go with me so you can hold my hand. I'm like, I'm not going to go in that room with you. I was like, you're going to go by yourself. And he was like, okay, well, go with me and you can wait in the waiting room. So that's what I did. Even just doing that still feels exhausting. Having to support. But, you know, I'm glad we got it out the way. I know everybody had their physicals, seen the doctors. Everybody's happy and healthy, so I mean, what else could you wish for, you know? That's all. Now we can just continue with our days, and all is well. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash these dishes, and then we're gonna head out here in a minute. I'm gonna go grab some lunch first, I believe, because I know we're hungry. Let's see where we end up going. I'm hungry, but I know like once I sit down and eat, I'm not even gonna be able to eat. That's how it always feels like to me. Like my body is so starving, but then when I go and sit down, like all I can do is like 1 to 3 bites. I'm like, come on, you gotta be kidding me, and it makes me angry that I can't eat the food. Yesterday we were just doing errands. And then, once my husband was done with all his stuff, he was tired. I was tired too, but I didn't want to sleep, so I went outside and I just did like a whole hour workout. That felt amazing. I slept amazing. I love when I do that. Always help my body like get better rest and stuff. And it had been like at least 2-3 weeks I went without doing any exercise because I've been like so busy and like focused on everything else that I kind of put myself on the back burner, which, you know, it always happens being a mom. Sometimes you just have to be last, but I always find a way someday that I know it's going to be my turn. Just yesterday. Today, I don't think I'm working out today. I was editing this morning, ate breakfast, and then I saw like, okay, come on guys, we gotta start getting ready so we can go run our errands, get all our stuff done that we need to get done, and then come home, possibly get ready, and then we gotta head to baseball practice today. And it's kind of chilly out. It was warm, like the sun was out, but it's like this forecast, so the sun is like hiding behind the clouds every once in a while, and then there's like wind. It's too cold. And then we gotta make dinner. Yeah, then we gotta make dinner. Are you guys ready? Huh? Okay, I'm almost. Okay guys, so we have arrived here with all my children. Let's go. Open the door for mom. Thank you. Are you gonna make a wish with your eyelashes that fell out? Okay. Make a wish. Close your eyes then. I hope you wish to love your mom forever.
He's so sure. What sauce do we?
Hey. Hey, Nico, where are you?
What?
Where are you at today? You found your dinosaur, my friend.
He's gonna lose it.
Let's see if we all can come out on the screen. Get in. Where's... I want to take a picture.
What year did you order?
Hey, there's fucking anything.
Your lemonade is right there.
Yeah, I think this will be good.
Where's my lemonade? This is one. Oh, but
Here's your straw.
here's my mom. You got one? Great. Did you just
Yummy?
get your food now, Benji? This is mine, yes. Could down on my down mine? Okay, down good.
You're welcome.
I think that this is the best food I ever tasted. Okay, is it dated? Food ready. No, this one is yours. That's the orange. It's orange? Yeah, that's how you're ungrateful.
Okay guys, we just got here to Target and we're gonna go ahead and go inside.
No, we're going to cross the street. You are a pedestrian.
Let's go.
The baby crying.
You hear the baby crying? This is so cute.
What was he complaining about?
Okay, what are we here for, guys? What are we looking for?
Snacks. Snacks.
So far we have panda cookies. Wait, can't see. Okay.
Some panda cookies. Yeah. And
Pringles. And then what else are we gonna get? I wanna do something fun, like a fruit cup. What kind of drink are we gonna do?
I started the 30-pack of Capri Sun. Each kid. It says $8.39 for a 12-pack. When you get ready to cook? For those, the Canada Dry strawberry fruit sponge.
Okay. Which flavor are we getting of the Kool-Aid? Should we do the blue?
Yeah.
How much are these?
$7.99.
Yeah. Put it on the card. We're gonna do that. And then maybe like... What else? Those are the famous pasta. Next time.
Ooh, pepperoni not in the fridge? What?
Pepperoni's never in the fridge.
Really? What? Is after you open it or what? Yep.
If you have a coupon, wash ticket, or prepaid card, scan it on the barcode reader now. Please pay with credit card.
I remember seeing something hard. Because you're excited. Challenge to my card.
Please take your receipt.
Okay.
Thank you for your business.
Okay guys, we're here. We're gonna get a car wash today.
Yay!
Yay! What? Huh?
He said, damn, your car dirty lady.
Are you excited? Yeah? Wow!
Nico, so first we got a waterfall. Teddy, is this a waterfall? Is this a waterfall? Nico, Nico in the waterfall. Oh no. No, puppy, help us. Help us. Help us.
Uh-oh!
Waterfall? Oh. Is this a waterfall? I think so. Nico, Nico in the waterfall. Oh no. No, puppy, help us. Help us. Help us.
Uh-oh!
Daddy, help me, help us.
There goes the lava!
The volcano! Papa, help us! Papa, help us, Papa! Papa! Papa, help us!
This car wash is always fun.
Papa, help us! I died!
What? Alright guys, so we're getting the car wash and then we're gonna head home. We'll see you guys in a bit.
Spring California weather and it feels
Hey
like
guys, so we got home. I had a little Amazon order that I picked up. This is gonna be the snack bag for my son's baseball team for tomorrow. Let's see what they look like. Second leave up Amazon review. Ooh, they're pretty big. Try one more.
Talk short.
Okay. What? Okay. Oh, okay. It's not that big. It looks way bigger than that. Yeah, these are perfect. Okay, and then at Target we bought this guy. We've heard about it a lot of times, so we're gonna go ahead and try it on camera. Are you gonna come sit with me?
Are you gonna hurry up and open it?
Or you don't want to sit with me? Do you want to be in the video or no?
I don't care. I just want to try.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open it and try it out. Ooh. Oh! Oh my god.
Nothing.
It has chocolate chip. And this is, I didn't even mention, this is Dubai chocolate flavor.
It's nerdy nuts.
Yeah, nerdy nut. Okay.
It was
Ooh.
crunchy.
Yeah, it's crunchy. I didn't even get the chocolate on the bottom.
You're not gonna wait for me? Excuse me?
Okay. I need to add some. Hmm?
What?
Fine, I'm cooking dinner.
No, punky.
What is that?
That's a punky.
Go to your baseball bag. Okay. We
That's
bought
a
these
punky
brownies.
super.
Okay, Nicola, thank you for showing the camera.
You open it.
Nicola.
Maybe just put it like this.
Let him in, Papa. Hey, where's your Gatorade?
Oh, no. In the car. I left those in the car.
We have to put them in the bag. Hey.
Who's gonna go get them? You.
Show the camera, show the camera. We bought panda cookies. What else?
Put the dog.
We bought Pringles.
We're gonna make snacks for my baseball.
And then we bought
Yeah, because here, pack this, and you gotta pack up our snacks. So first we do a Gatorade, and then we do a orange, and then a brownie. It has chocolate chips. I don't know what those are.
Today's dinner: pork meat with spinach, potatoes, and chile, rojo, frijoles, arroz, and a corn. Oh my gosh! I wasn't even showing the plate the whole time. Today you get to walk on it because we don't have a car.
Yeah, we do. Mom, where's our black car?
Well, Papi took it. He left us stranded at the park, that boy. So, hey guys. So, today is Saturday morning, almost 12. It's 11:30. Oh, thank you, Papi. I got a flower. So my husband was here with us, but he decided to take the car because he had something to do. But we finished playing baseball like about 10:30. It's currently 11:30, and we still haven't eaten breakfast. So I said we're gonna go ahead and cross the street and walk to Jack in the Box. We're coming to the same Jack in the Box we came yesterday with my daughter and my kid. So we're gonna go eat some brunch while we wait for them to pick us up. So yeah, let's see what we get today. There goes my Benjamin coming. What you got there?
I got one for Nico, one for Papa, one for Kelly, and one for me.
Oh, how cute. He loves to get us flowers.